Hey there, Google users. Are you tired of juggling a dozen Chrome tabs and windows just to compare documents or work side by side? If you've ever wished your screen could split instantly to show two tabs at once, you're in luck. Today, I'll show you the new Split View Tabs feature in Chrome, a true time saver. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer and Google certified trainer. I empower business owners with Google solutions. Check out the new Chrome Split View Tabs feature that helps you work smarter, not harder, to streamline your daily workflow. I want to know, do you use Chrome profiles to keep your business and personal accounts separate? Let me know in the comments. For even more quick tips, be sure to grab my free time-saving hacks guide. The link is below. Let's look at how this works. To get them in split view, simply right-click on one tab and say Add Tab to New Split View. Then choose the second tab that I want to show. Now I can see these two things side by side and compare them much more easily than if they were in two separate tabs or windows. I can adjust the center bar to see one more than the other. And this is great for comparing to make sure that all my information on one is also on the other. When I'm done, I can right-click on that tab, choose Arrange Split View, and separate views again. This little tool is a game changer for digital organization, making work life clearer and smoother. We love sharing these quick wins. If you love this helpful Google tip, then you'll love what Clutter Care can teach you. We specialize in customizing Google solutions for business owners, and I keep up on the latest tips and tricks so you don't have to. We help you move from feeling like, I bet I could do it myself if I just sat down and made the time, to having a confident, well-structured system that you can use every day. You can get hands-on, done-for-you support during a VIP day or with admin support. You can dive deep into specific topics with a Workspace Wizards masterclass or gain self-paced knowledge about each app through our Google Groupies classes. We are here to empower business owners with Google solutions and help you make the time and create space for what you value most. Click the links below for details. I look forward to helping you succeed.